Why is he like that? What's happening inside his ears? Is something affecting his balance system? Is the brain getting wrong signals? How do we stop the spinning feeling?
Okay, let's start with the inner ear. It controls balance and movement sensing. Now think about this, the inner ear has semicircular canals. These detect head movement. Here's the interesting part, these canals contain fluid. The fluid moves when the head moves. Tiny sensors detect this fluid movement. They send signals to the brain. The brain uses these signals to know position. It helps maintain balance. Sometimes the system gets disrupted. Signals become incorrect. Small crystals can move out of place. They disturb fluid movement. This condition is called BPPV. It causes brief spinning episodes. The brain receives mismatched signals from eyes and inner ear. The brain becomes confused about movement. It thinks the body is rotating. This creates the sensation of spinning. Even without movement, the eyes may move rapidly during vertigo. This is called nystagmus. Balance becomes unstable during episodes. The patient may feel like falling. Certain head movements can trigger symptoms, like turning or lying down. Episodes may last seconds to minutes. Depending on the cause, the spinning feeling can cause nausea. The brain reacts strongly. The body may activate stress response. This increases discomfort. The brain tries to adjust signals. Over time it adapts. Special head movements can reposition crystals. These are called repositioning maneuvers. Symptoms often improve with treatment. Balance returns gradually. Avoiding triggers helps manage symptoms. Careful movements reduce episodes. The balance system becomes stable again. The spinning sensation resolves. Spinning sensation is a key symptom. It indicates vertigo. Head movement triggers symptoms. This suggests positional vertigo. Short episodes suggest BPPV. Long episodes suggest other causes. Nystagmus helps confirm diagnosis. It shows abnormal eye movement. Doctors perform positional tests to reproduce symptoms. Other causes include stroke or infection. These must be ruled out. Repositioning maneuvers are effective. They move crystals back. Most cases improve with treatment. Recovery is common. The inner ear controls balance. It detects movement. Fluid movement signals position. It helps orientation. Displaced crystals cause vertigo. They disturb signals. Incorrect signals confuse the brain. This causes spinning sensation. Eye movement reflects imbalance. It helps diagnosis. Head movements trigger symptoms. They activate vertigo. Repositioning fixes the cause. Balance returns.
The patient felt the room spinning suddenly. The imbalance caused fear of falling. The cause was found in the inner ear. Treatment restored balance and stability.
Alright, let's test your brain. Think carefully before you answer. What causes vertigo? Inner ear, skin, muscle, bone. Which structure controls balance? Inner ear, heart, liver, kidney. What becomes incorrect? Signals, bones, blood, hair. What is the main symptom? Spinning, itching, pain, swelling. What helps reposition crystals? Maneuver, exercise, sleep, diet. Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.